Hi, I'm Stephanie, the Director of Rehab here at Stuckey Chiropractic Center. I've got Sam here with me today. We have been doing SoftWave for his low back, and you've been having problems for how long now?
Almost a year now.
Almost a year. And what type of activities were you unable to do when you started?
I was unable to do regular, normal daily activities. I couldn't unload the dishwasher, get dressed without pain, get out of bed. Like it was bad.
Oh my gosh, that is so bad. So we've been doing SoftWave. We just finished up with his treatment plan here, and tell us a little bit about how you're feeling now.
It's been great. I feel great. I was actually a little bit skeptical going into it. I'd never heard of it before.
Right,
And
as most people haven't.
yeah, I was just in so much pain. I was like, just do whatever you think is going to work. And I was very pleasantly surprised after the first treatment. Even I noticed relief right away. And then it just got better from there. So I'm very, very grateful this exists.
Yeah, that is awesome. We've had some really good results here with Sam. And what would you tell somebody who is in a similar position as you?
Definitely do it. Everyone that's asked about how rehab is going, I'm like, adjustments are great, but the SoftWave has really, really made a big difference. So definitely do it.
That is incredible. There you have it. So thank you so much, Sam.
No problem. Thank you.